This video answers the question, how to buy shares of Liberty Global C, and gives a short walkthrough of the process. Liberty Global C is a multinational telecommunications company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LBTYK, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy stocks, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After you register, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LBTYK to locate Liberty Global C. Make sure you pick the listing that trades on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct asset. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm this is the correct Liberty Global C listing. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the final confirmation. Once your trade is placed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step interface.